10:45 a.m. At 10:40 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Baltimore, Pikesville, Towson, Parkville, Kearney, and Loch Raven Village. This includes flood-prone locations Smith Avenue at Jones Falls, Clipper Mill Road near the Falls Road overpass, and Dingwood Road near Debonair Court. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Here is the Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, central Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sparrows Point to Woodmore, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Baltimore, Bowie, Severn, Annapolis, Clinton, Crofton, Middle River, Fort Washington, Riviera Beach, Forestville, Largo, Coral Hills, Mayo, Shadyside, Naval Academy, National Harbor, Upper Marlboro, Fort Smallwood State Park, Gibson Island, and Tillery Bay. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for District of Columbia and Central and Northern Maryland. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. For building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland: Anne Arundel,